Okay, here we have the last example, the last bisector example that we're going to do for this lesson 2-2, and then you're going to try some practice problems. So in this diagram below, in this crazy looking diagram below, line segment, or just segment, remember that's what that notation means right there. I'm just going to say segment. That's what that is. I don't want to put an arrow there. There. So segment FE, that would be this right here, bisects segment AD, which I will do in blue. So FE bisects AD. We know from all of our work before that bisect means cuts into two equal parts. So if FE, if my orange line is bisecting AD, that means which two pieces are equal? Well, that means that AC, segment AC, is going to be equal to segment CD. Because it's cutting it in half. It's taking this big AD and cutting it into two equal parts. Okay, so they tell us here that AC is equal to 2x plus 13. And they tell us that CD is equal to 4x minus 15. Oh, and then they tell us that DB, so from this point to this point, that's 3x plus 22. Find the value of AD. So they're looking for, find the value of AD. They're looking for from this point to this point. They're looking for that length. So we've got to use that bisector thing as a to do something. If, like we said, if EF is bisecting AD, that means that AC is equal to CD. So I'm going to use that to make my equation. They told me that AC was equal to that 2x plus 13, and that CD is 4x minus 15. Now I've got my equation created. I can go ahead and solve that. Minus 2x to both sides. 13 is equal to 2x, minus 15. Add the 15 to both sides. 28 is equal to 2x to give us a nice answer of x equals 14. So again, though, at this point, we haven't finished answering the question. The question was asking us to find the value of the entire AD. So I've got to use what I found for x and plug that back in to those expressions. So AD I would get by finding out AC. AD is equal to AC plus CD. Okay? So AD is equal to AC, which is 2x plus 13, plus 4x minus 15. And I'm going to use the fact that we know x is equal to 14.